Hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Stephanie. I have a Dollar Tree haul for you today. These are my nails from the Dollar Tree. I really like them sparkly like that. The gold and the purple. What do you think? Let me know down below. Hit that like, subscribe, and comment. And let's get started. First thing I got here is a little laser for my cat. So that's one of his gifts for Christmas. He loves these. I believe there's different ones, well, it just shows you in the back all the instructions, but they have these like little extra ones for you and the batteries. Well, I think it's really cool. So that's cute for him. That'll be nice. And I grabbed some butter cookies because I love these. Those were $1.50. It looks like they taped it on the side. Butter cookies. How many are in there? Let's see. I don't think it says. It says best before, but there's no amount. It doesn't matter. I love them. I also grabbed some men's socks. I believe they're men's. I grabbed 2 of these. It says Steve Land. Not sure who that is. That's what it looks like. 2 the same. I hold that camera up so you can see better. They're not bad. It's got a little bit of yellow on it, some gray. It's a pretty cool pattern. What do you think? And I got some scrunchies. The scrunchies got different sorts of colors on it. Kind of looks like the shirt I always wanted. I never got the shirt I always wanted from, was it AliExpress or something? I'm not 100% sure. Might be Shein. Had like a chain look to it, like that. That's why it grabbed my attention. It's cute though. It's got a little like pearl there. Nice design. Not bad for $1.50. Put that there for now. I got 2 other ones of those, but they're a little bit different. Oh, I didn't even notice this. This one here is a pineapple one. I like the blue, so I grabbed it, but I didn't even notice it has a pineapple on it. I'll show you so you can see. There it is right there in the leaf. And there it is there. That's cute. It's really cute. I think I picked that up. I also got one more in black. It's just tied up like this. With daisies. I love them. I usually just get those regular black headbands or brown or purple or whatever color. But I wanted to get something different. And I got myself some socks. Some unicorn socks. Snugadoo, $1.50 adult. That's cute. I think they're cute. I might put them on soon. I might not wait for Christmas. I also got some mascara. I seen this there and I figured, well, that looks like a pretty good brand. Let's try this out. So I'll be trying this soon. It's very black. Lash defining brush. LA colors. We'll see what happens with that. Hopefully it looks nice. I also got some eyeliner. I wasn't so sure about the eyeliner, but they had LA colors. So I picked up that too. It says slim felt tip. And some highlighter. I don't usually use highlighter like I used to in the summer. There's something there. So that's e.l.f. As you can see. Baked highlighter, apricot glow. Should I open it up or no? Just open it to see quick. Closer look. And I opened it like this so you can see. Maybe go like this a little bit. That's not going to work. It's hard to see in the camera, but it's a little bit shimmery. It's a light color. I like it because I have light skin. I have pale skin. It's cute. Very nice for $1.50. You can't go wrong. You can't. For $1.50. And of course, you guys know me. I got some nails. How many? I don't know, about 100. I had to get these ones because I love pink and purple. So I got some of these. I had some purple ones like this before. I wore them way back in one of the videos. So I got this color. And they had some marble. And I was like, what? I have to get the marble. For $1.50. Yeah, they had some new nails there. I was happy. It's like, really? I wasn't even going to go there. I was going to go to a different store. But I was like, oh, good thing I went here. Now they have this new collection of nails, and I got a little nail happy while I was in the store. Ended up picking up, I don't know, like 7 or 8 of them. These are really nice designs. Look at that. Showtime. Like, how can you go wrong for $1.50? Something like that is usually about $15, $20. Like, I'm not going to sit here and name prices. I already did, but my point is it's really, really affordable and great prices. I love that gold, that shine. I'll open this up really quick too. Oh, I ripped it. That's okay. I don't know if you guys like nails or not, but I'm showing you because I like them, obviously. You can tell. Ooh, I might have to pause. Maybe not. Just wanted to get a closer look. I'm just going to hold it like this. Look at all that sparkle. Wow. Awesome. It's just stuck there where the glue is. So that's one of this new brand that I can't find anywhere on the internet for some reason. It's called Showtime. There's also this one. Looks more like a Christmas type of pattern. That one fell when I was looking at it. It's inside the box. It's got like those like little flakes of like, looks like snowflakes to me. But they're just little pieces of silver. Colors. It says Trendy a la Mode and colors by Tivoli. I've never really, I think I heard of that brand somewhere before, but I wasn't sure where. I looked it up and I couldn't find these. There's another one right here. This is like a crackle one. I love it because it's pink and it's shimmer right here. I love this too. As soon as I saw this one, I was like, yep, you're coming home with me. Me and my nails. Also, there's this one. So that was 1, 2, 3. This is 4 of these types of nails. I got 6 of these. There was other ones, but I was like, oh, I gotta leave some for another time or for some other people, right? This one's like a peach color with different swirly designs. I like that one too. It's cute. This is enough nails for, I don't know, another 3 to 4 months at least. Plus nails that I already have that I haven't used yet, that I will be using in the future. These are really Christmassy to me. What do you think? Let me know down below. Showtime. I love them. Oh, I love that sparkle. I hope it doesn't come off. Let's try taking this one out quick. I'll pause. No, I won't pause. I'll leave it so you can hear me trying to get the box open. Put these nails on. Even though these nails are shorter, it's like so much easier to work with them. But I do love the long ones. Have to slow down a little bit here. I hope it doesn't. Oh, right when I said that, they started popping out. They're starting to fall out. No. I'll take them from the back. Aha, I got it. I wasn't sure if it's going to work, but it's, I just got to place them back in here like this. So you can see what I'm talking about. Oh my gosh. This for $1.50. You can't go wrong. I already said that, but they're beautiful. I should pick some up and give them away. Do like a giveaway, nail giveaway. Any ladies or men out there that like nails. Trying to squeeze it back in the box. Okay, this time I'm pausing. All right, pause done. Here is blue ones. Blue. This is to me is like a royal blue, or is it like more like a yeah, it's royal blue. To me the color looks like it. I really like that color. I'm not a fan of light blue. There was some light blue ones, but I wanted these ones. There was also some other colors, green, and there's a couple things left here. There's glow-in-the-dark nails. I want to find out if these glow in the dark. They should. And one more thing I got. I'm not sure 100% of what it is. I just picked it up. Let me just put these right here. I picked it up because it looks like a diffuser, but I don't know if it's the diffuser or if it's something you use for it. But yeah, it says the diffuser. Aroma diffuser. This is the aroma diffuser for $150. The instructions in the back. I'll open it up. Well, that's good they don't have any tape. I'm not going to try it or anything. Obviously, I'm just going to take it out so you can see. There's a little thing in here too. Take that part out so you can see and get an idea in case you want to buy one or not. This is the diffuser, a button on there, obviously to make it work. And this, I believe, goes inside here. Looks like a little filter thing. I don't know anything about diffusers. I just picked this up because I figured it could go in like a gift for somebody. A gift bag among other gifts for that certain person. Or I can keep it, which I probably won't because I don't use diffusers. I use candles. And the back it says rotate the base of the diffuser and remove the base. And it says to add drops of the oils, whatever oil you have. Replace the pad. Just all the instructions are all there. And there's even a phone number. So that's everything for my haul. The next video should be some more jewelry. And look at all these nails, people. Wow. It's Nail City. I laugh at myself. But for $1.50, come on. All of them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9 or 10 of them. And they were $1.50 each. Anyways, I want to thank you guys for watching. Hit that like, subscribe, comment. Take it easy. Bye. Nails.